learning more about diabetes, transferring energy, the flame dance, and releasing stress with 2 fingers. Hi, my name is Doug and you're on WeShow TV. We open with a question. Is it true that diabetes runs in the family? The renowned Dr. Ronald Kahn answers the questions and explains the genetics of diabetes.
When people say diabetes runs in the families, aunts, uncles, brothers, sisters, grandparents, is that a factual statement?
Absolutely. Diabetes has a very strong hereditary component, both type 1 and type 2 diabetes, and even more so for type 2 than for type 1.
Up next, a science professor makes an amazing experiment using 2 different tennis balls. He wants to show how we can transfer energy from one ball to the other.
But what if we could transfer the energy from the large ball to the small one? How would we do that? Well, by placing one on top of the other. To make that easier, I made a collar out of duct tape so that this one can sit there. When we drop the balls this time, watch what happens.
And we continue with another physics experiment, but this time it works like a dance performance. The stage is a PVC pipe and the dancer is the fire. Watch what happens when different types of sound frequencies are applied to the flames.
Now, if we change the frequency, we can see each time we set up a standing wave, we get that sine curve.
And we close with a simple method to release your stress. An acupuncture technique which uses no needles, just fingers. Relax and watch.
Bony ridge. And with 2 fingers to get as much coverage as possible, we're going to tap. Beginning with, again, point number 1, being right at the beginning of the eyebrow on either side.
That's all for today's Health and Science Review. See you next week with another selection of cool videos.